Meaning of liege.
liege,
Liege.
liege,
Liege. The term liege can have a few different meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. One common definition of liege is as an adjective meaning loyal or faithful. In this sense, it is often used to describe a person's allegiance to a particular ruler or lord, and can connote a strong sense of devotion or fidelity. Another meaning of liege is as a noun referring to a feudal lord or sovereign to whom loyalty and service are due. Historically, this term was often used in medieval times to refer to the vassals or subjects of a monarch or other ruling authority. Overall, liege tends to connote a sense of duty or obligation, as well as a bond of loyalty or fealty between two parties.